What's the meaning of charmingly? Charmingly. Charmingly.
Charmingly. Charmingly. Charmingly is an adverb that describes an action or behavior that is attractive, delightful, or pleasing in a way that is subtle yet effective. When something is done charmingly, it is usually done with grace, elegance, and sophistication. This word can be used to describe someone's personality or actions, as well as anything else that exudes appeal and winsome qualities. Overall, acting charmingly can leave others with a positive impression and create a warm and inviting atmosphere.